then we tricked the device on adding a security layer, and now we are going to unlock the FRP, the Google account, using the so added password pin we did add, and here we put it, and boom, the phone goes on to be processed. We really had a good time. This is done step by step. Yeah, it's done step by step. Oh, yeah. I think it's going well. Here we have it back. Here we have it back. Everything is working well. We did it. We bypassed it. Like and share. Follow me on for more videos like this on YouTube. And here we are. I think this language is taking me nowhere. I have to go back, find another language like this. Alpha. Yeah. Can this? No. Yes. Okay. Then this will take us to Phonics browser, and here let's try and obtain something like Albas Tools. Let's try something like now. Let's change this language to English. DJ Spark.
Guys, get a guy that meets good neighbor will find me.
Here we are now. Then we are going. Hey, will you make a coffee? I import soon now. You munga chog na video no. Oh my God. Let's try this thing. I think those are here. Then we have gas is somewhere like let's search for settings. Oh yeah, I think we got that. Woo! We made it. Now the FRP have been bypassed successfully, and congrats to the little knowledge I share in mobile repair. And I beg and plead, please ask for you guys to follow me up, please. Share, like my videos. FRP bypass on KC8. Let me check if I am right.
Why?
Should be here. KC8, yeah, Spark 4. It is done successfully. You can still change the language. Wow, I don't even read this language. I don't know if I can change this language, but let's try. And I think we are going there. Okay, let's add English. Then let's remove this. Yeah, now we have our official language as English. I think I have to add security to make sure it will not go back to FRP again. Yes, I think we have done it, and this time around the phone is locked, so this is the last step. Let's restart the device. We are waiting for the phone to boot. Waiting for the phone to boot. Please like and share, subscribe to my video. You see, it brings us back here. Start to set it. Now, this is time for the bypass. The last process. Let's forget this.